So exercise 10.1 question number 11. It says the slope of a line is double of the slope of other line. If tan of the angle, tan को उन्होंने लिखा है tangent, tangent of the angle between them is 1 by 3. Find slope of the lines. Now we know that angle between two lines has a formula. Angle between two lines having slopes m1 and m2. Is tan theta is equal to plus minus m2 minus m1 upon 1 plus m1 m2. Now it is given that slope of one line is double the slope of other. So let slope of line 2 be m, then slope of line m will become 2 times of m. Now putting these two values m2 and m1 in the formula, we are also given that tan of the angle between them is 1 by 3. That means tan theta is also given to us as 1 by 3. So putting these values in place of tan theta, we'll put 1 by 3 is equals to plus minus. Now m2 is m and m1 is 2m. Putting these values 1 plus m into 2m. So this gives us 1 by 3 equals plus minus m minus 2m is minus m plus upon 1 plus 2m square. So considering this plus, we have 1 by 3 is equal to minus m upon 1 plus 2m square, or considering this minus, we have 1 by 3 equal to plus n upon 1 plus 2m square. We just have to solve these two quadratics. From quadratic 1, that is 1 by 3 equals minus m upon 1 plus 2m square. Cross multiplying, we have 1 plus 2m square is equals to minus 3m. This gives us 2m square plus 3m plus 1 is equal to 0. So we will do factorization by splitting the middle term. We'll break 3m as 2m and m. Now take 2m common. Inside the bracket we have m plus 1. Then 1 common, m plus 1. Now m plus 1 is common into 2m plus 1. This is equal to 0. So putting m plus 1 and 2m plus 1 separately as 0, we have the value of m as minus 1 and minus 1 by 2. Similarly, if we take the second quadratic, which is 1 upon 3 is equal to m upon 1 plus 2m square. So this is case 2. It is 1 upon 3 is equal to m upon 1 plus 2m square. So 1 plus 2m square is equals to 3m. Again 2m square minus 3m plus 1 is equal to 0. We'll break the middle term as minus 2m minus m. Taking 2m as common, we have m minus 1. Taking minus 1 common, we have m minus 1. Taking m minus 1 as common, we have 2m minus 1 is equal to 0. Putting separately equal to 0, we have the values as m is equal to 1, comma 2m is equal to 1. This gives us m is equal to half. So in all, we have 4 values possible. Which values? हमारा फाइनल आंसर ऐसे लिखा जाएगा, if m is 1, sorry, the values of m जो फाइनल आंसर है, तो अगर m की वैल्यू -1 है तो स्लोप ऑफ लाइन 1 हो जाएगी -2 एंड स्लोप ऑफ लाइन 2 हो रहेगी -1 एंड अगर m की वैल्यू -1/2 है तो m2 को हमने m सपोज किया था, ये -1/2 रहेगा, m1 इसका ट्वाइस हो जाएगा यानी -1 हो जाएगा. सिमिलरली ये m1 m2 का एक पेयर आया, ये m1 m2 का एक पेयर आया. ऐसे ही इफ m इज +1 तो m1 m2 की वैल्यू आएगी 2 और 1 एंड अगर m की वैल्यू हाफ है तो m1 m2 की वैल्यू भी हाफ और 1 आएगी. So these are the 4 pairs of m1 and 2 which is our answer. So you can note it down and ask if you have any doubt.